This video shows you how to add a handwritten signature to your Google Doc. Using the built-in drawing tool allows you to create a digital version of your signature directly inside your document. If you find this guide helpful, please leave a like to support the channel. Make sure you have your document open and ready to edit before starting. Open the Insert menu from the top toolbar to begin. Navigate to the Drawing option in the drop-down list. Select New to open the drawing window. Click the Line Tool drop-down menu to see your drawing options. Choose the Scribble tool to start drawing your signature freehand. Use your mouse or trackpad to draw your name in cursive. Select Save and Close to place the signature into your document. The signature now appears as an image within your document. Click on the inserted signature image to select it. Choose the Edit button to make changes to your drawing. You can delete any mistakes you created earlier. Click Save and Close again to update the image in your document. Select the updated signature image in your document. Click and drag the bottom right resize handle inward to scale the image down. Your document now features a clean, properly sized digital signature. You have successfully created and inserted a custom signature using the drawing tool. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more helpful tips.